Hello guys, welcome to a flood escape video. I'm here, so let's go ahead and buy our gravity coil and dash. Alright, so my favorite sound to hear, so let's just go ahead and try and do a solo hard. Hopefully nobody joins. And if we get stuck in the thingamabobby, I'm just gonna reset. One of my favorite ones to speedrun. Alright, well. Alright, yeah. Run down sector. This one, if you have dash, I believe you can jump up there and then jump onto this. For like speedrunners out there. You have to be skillful though, so. Alright. Alright, yeah. I'll have live split open, but let's do another round. The flood escape channel don't really care about the quality. We go into training. You know what, before I'm gonna take a sip of Fanta and not even edit it out. Just to piss off YouTubers that actually try for 300 subs. Oh, let's do reaction. Let's do 5 reactions and then 5 the agilities. Yellow. This one is the easiest. I died. Let's do a code. I'm not gonna do 5 code crackers. Let's just do 1. No. Only get 5 training points. Meanwhile, this one, which you can use your gravity coil, by the way. How many 3 training points am I gonna get? You know, let's do an agility and then cash out. I believe that you can get infinite flood coins if you just AFK. Let's try and go for a streak. How many in a row? It didn't tell me. That's the thing about this. Anyways, let's cash out and go. I'm not finna do retros. I'm not doing no power-ups percent. No power-ups percent hard. Let me go ahead and open up live split. Full screen this. So you're not going to be able to see half of the thing for a bit. Until I do this. Why isn't live split opened? Hello, I requested to open live split. Alright, it's open. Alright. There. Oh my god, it's a duo. That's gonna cost me the entire speedrun. Oh my god, well I literally just died, so you know, just screw me because I can't do speedruns. Alright, that's gonna be it. Thanks.